Hello and welcome to an extraordinary opportunity that has the potential to alter your life forever. If you've ever wanted to make a good living online but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will give you rare insights and tactics for earning a six-figure income in 2023 with no prior investment. Join us as we reveal the secrets of producing money online and help you in reaching your financial objectives for 2023 and beyond. Do not pass up this excellent opportunity to learn from the pros. Be sure to like and subscribe to remain up to speed on our latest videos. Let's begin. There are various ways to make money online in today's digital world without making any investments. Whether you're searching for a side hustle to supplement your income or want to start a full-time online firm, the internet has a plethora of ways for you to make money. In this video, we will look at some of the most popular ways to make money online without spending a dime. Starting with online tutoring or coaching, it could lead to an online income without any investment because it relies on the expertise of the instructor or coach and access to technology rather than physical infrastructure. Unlike traditional tutoring or coaching, online tutoring does not need the rental of a physical facility, the purchase of specialist equipment, or the hiring of administrative personnel. The platforms it uses provide a digital infrastructure for connecting tutors and coaches with students, as well as handling scheduling and payment queries. This infrastructure is accessible from any location with an internet connection, making online teaching and coaching a versatile alternative for anybody wishing to earn a career from their talents and expertise. Additionally, with the growing need for remote learning, online teaching and coaching has become a thriving sector with a diverse variety of revenue prospects. To get started with online teaching or coaching, decide on your area of expertise and set up a dedicated workstation with stable internet and equipment. Then, create a professional online presence on tutoring or coaching sites and be prepared with lesson ideas and resources for each session. Also, maintain a positive relationship with your pupils by being attentive and involved, and by staying organized with scheduling and record keeping. Following these suggestions will help you confidently and successfully begin your online tutoring or coaching experience. Second is paid content writing. It is a profitable online income alternative that takes little to no initial commitment. It is an excellent approach to make money while improving your writing abilities. Businesses and websites require high-quality content to attract and keep consumers. Therefore, content writers are in great demand. The benefit of paid content writing is that you can get started with very little money. To get started, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Content writing jobs may be found on freelancing sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You could also contact websites or businesses directly to offer your services. With practice and expertise, you may establish a good reputation and generate a consistent income from your writing abilities. So, if you have a knack for words and a desire to write, paid content writing may be the ideal online income alternative for you. To get started with paid content writing, you must first sharpen your writing abilities and compile a portfolio of writing examples. To discover new clients, freelance platforms and social media could both be used. To create high-quality content on schedule, extensively research the topics and comprehend your clients' expectations. Meeting deadlines requires excellent time management. To develop long-term partnerships, be receptive to comments and communicate effectively with clients. Providing exceptional service and having a professional demeanor can assist you in establishing yourself as a successful content writer and earning a stable income doing something you like. Paid content writing demands attention, tenacity, and hard work, but with time and effort, it may be a successful and gratifying career option. Third is social media management. Social media has become an essential part of our everyday lives and is no longer restricted to posting and liking photographs. It's turned into an effective tool for businesses to communicate with customers and sell their products and services. The practice of managing a brand's social media platforms in order to enhance engagement, followers, and conversions is referred to as social media management. The fact that social media management does not require a major investment is one of the main benefits of it as a source of online revenue. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some basic social media marketing abilities. You could start with handling the social media channels of local small companies and progressively grow your customer base. On top of that, social media management provides a great deal of freedom in terms of working hours and location. Working from home, coffee shops, or anywhere with an internet connection is possible. It also allows you to learn new skills and keep up with the current social media trends, making it an excellent choice for people who want to explore and invent. First and foremost, find a topic that you're enthusiastic about, because, for example, if you do not like cats, managing a cat food company's social media will be difficult. Next, get to know your audience, not in a creepy way, of course, and learn what they like and what inspires them. Then, make content a calendar so you do not have to upload something at the last minute. Do not be scared to interact with your audience. They're simply human, most of the time. So, reply to their comments and messages. Last but not least, keep up with the current social media trends to avoid seeming like a dinosaur on MySpace. Remember that? With these pointers and methods, you will be well on your way. The fourth is affiliate marketing. It is a prominent online revenue stream that allows consumers to earn commissions by advertising the products of others. It is a low-cost, low-risk company concept with no upfront investment. To get started, all you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some basic marketing knowledge. Affiliate marketing works by collaborating with businesses that provide items or services. You advertise their items on your website, blog, or social media platforms, and you earn a commission on each transaction made via your unique referral link. You do not have to deal with inventory or customer service since the firm you're advertising does both. One of the most significant benefits of affiliate marketing is the ability to earn passive income. Once you've established your affiliate links and begin generating traffic, you can earn money on sales even if you're not actively marketing the items. Being an affiliate marketer is similar to being a matchmaker, except for things and people. First, identify a niche in which you have a strong interest, such as dog toys or vegan protein powder. Then you play matchmaker, matching potential clients with the things you're promoting. Of course, you earn a commission on every transaction made through your referral link in exchange for your matching talents. When it comes to affiliate marketing though, remember that honesty is the best policy. Do not play matchmaker by promoting products that are not an appropriate match for your target market. Customers will appreciate if you stick to what you know and love. Who knew generating money online could be so entertaining? Lastly, virtual assistants. It is the online income world's superhero. It's a low-cost, low-risk business strategy that allows you to leverage your administrative prowess to help organizations with their day-to-day operations. To get started on your virtual journeys, all you need is a dependable computer and an internet connection. As a virtual assistant, you may choose your own schedule and work from the comfort of your own home. You may help numerous clients at once, saving them time and money while generating consistent earnings. It's a win-win situation. Consider yourself to be Batman's Robin, the sidekick who supports businesses in focusing on their core skills while handling their administrative responsibilities. You're the unsung hero who saves the day with each email and phone call. So, if you're on the hunt for an online source of income that makes it possible for you to be your own superhero, virtual assistants can be a good choice. Are you ready to put on your virtual cape and transform into an exemplary virtual assistant? Here are some innovative ideas to get you started. First, determine your superpowers, or the precise administrative talents in which you shine. Next, for your virtual assistant firm, come up with a catchy superhero moniker such as Admin Ace or Task Titan, and then design a logo and brand identity that matches your superhero persona. Create a professional website and social media pages to promote your services. Also, make use of your exceptional networking abilities to contact potential clients and advertise your services. You could demonstrate your worth by providing a complimentary consultation. You must define explicit pricing and service bundles. Furthermore, by using project management software, you can stay organized and efficient. You must continue to learn and improve your talents to remain ahead of the competition. Always keep in mind that every superhero has a distinct flair, so embrace yours as a virtual assistant and watch your business fly to new heights. And that's a wrap. We hope that the suggestions and strategies we gave have helped you go one step closer to your financial goals. Remember, the ability to earn money online is at your fingertips, and with the appropriate tactics and mentality, you can reach your financial objectives in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment with your opinions and a thumbs up if you found it interesting. And if you've not done so, subscribe to our channel for more useful information like this. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.